Welcome back to Smart English. In today's video, we're going to practice English speaking using the shadowing technique. Shadowing means you repeat exactly what you hear, just like an echo. It's one of the best ways to improve your fluency, pronunciation, and confidence. So, listen carefully, repeat after me, and speak out loud. Let's begin. Basic conversation practice, 1 minute 30 seconds. You, slow tone, hi, how are you today? Pause 3 seconds. Hi, how are you today? Pause for shadowing. I'm doing great, thank you. Pause. I'm doing great, thank you. Pause. What are your plans for today? Pause. What are your plans for today? Pause. I'm going to meet a friend and grab some coffee. Pause. I'm going to meet a friend and grab some coffee. Pause. That sounds fun. I hope you enjoy your day. Pause. That sounds fun. I hope you enjoy your day. Pause. Repeat with natural speed, 1 minute. Let's repeat the full conversation again, this time at a natural speed. Try to speak with me, not after me. You, normal pace, hi, how are you today? I'm doing great, thank you. What are your plans for today? I'm going to meet a friend and grab some coffee. That sounds fun. I hope you enjoy your day. Repeat this once more to fill time. Brain shadowing tips and motivation, 1 minute. Great job. Shadowing helps you build real conversation skills. Here are 3 tips to make your shadowing more effective. 1. Speak out loud, don't be shy. Use your voice. 2. Record yourself, compare your voice with native speakers. 3. Be consistent, practice at least 10 minutes a day. Remember, the more you shadow, the more fluent you'll become. Don't aim to be perfect, just keep practicing, and your English will improve every day. Thanks for practicing with me today. If you enjoyed this shadowing lesson, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Comment below, what sentence was your favorite today? See you in the next video, and keep speaking English every day. Bye for now.